Regulation of exhibition by means of cinematograph. Now this chapter is all about how films are exhibited in public spaces. First up, section 13. Licensing of places for exhibition of films. According to this section, no person shall exhibit any film by means of a cinematograph elsewhere than in a place licensed under this Act. What does this mean? Simply put, if you want to show a movie in a theatre or any public place, you need a license. This license ensures that the place meets certain safety and comfort standards, which is crucial for public welfare. Next, let's move to section 14, directions as to screening of documentaries, etc. This section empowers the central government to issue directions regarding the screening of documentaries, newsreels, or other films of national interest. Such screenings can be mandatory in certain licensed venues. So if you've ever wondered why you see those short documentaries before the main movie in theatres, now you know it's all about promoting national awareness and education. Now let's jump to Chapter 4, Miscellaneous. This chapter covers a variety of provisions, but let's focus on Section 15, Delegation of Powers. Under this section, the central government can delegate its powers under this Act. This section designates certain persons as public servants. It's crucial to know who falls under this category because it implicates various legal protections and obligations. Typically, it includes officials and employees of the government and sometimes extends to individuals working in statutory bodies. Understanding this classification can help you navigate the legal landscape more effectively. Moving on to Section 17. This section serves as a bar to legal proceedings. What does that mean? Simply put, it restricts the ability to initiate legal actions against certain individuals or entities without prior approval. This is vital for ensuring that public servants aren't unduly harassed, but also raises questions about accountability. Balancing these interests is a key aspect of legal practice. Next, let's talk about Section 18, Penalties and Procedure. This section outlines the penalties for violations and the procedures for imposing them. Whether it's fines, imprisonment, or other forms of punishment, understanding these details can be critical for advising clients and shaping legal strategy. Procedure is equally important, as it ensures that penalties are applied fairly and consistently. Now, on to Section 19, Powers to make rules. This section grants authority to create rules and regulations necessary for implementing the law. This is where the rubber meets the road, as it allows for the practical application of legislative intent. Knowing who has the power to make these rules and how they're formulated can give you a significant edge in legal proceedings. Section 20 is all about the power to exempt. This section allows certain individuals or entities to be exempted from specific provisions of the law. This can be particularly relevant in cases involving special circumstances or public interest considerations. It's a powerful tool that can be used to achieve just outcomes, but it also requires careful analysis to ensure it's applied appropriately. And finally, Section 21, Repeals and Savings.